guys, welcome to my channel if you're new. I've never actually filmed one of these videos before, but I am going to film a hotel room tour for you guys. I am staying in the St. Regis in New York City. I actually don't know what the name of this suite room is, so I will leave a link down below along with links to the hotel and stuff when I can, but I'm just going to give you a tour basically and do some like b-roll and stuff as well. And there will be information down below on booking the room, but it's basically based just off 5th, I think, or on 5th, but in that, I know that's not an area. I'll leave the address and stuff down below, you get the idea. I'm tired. I'm going to show you my tour. If you want a whole what I've been up to in New York video, I've also got that here on my channel, so I don't know which one will go up first, but I'll leave one of the other links down below, or it'll be going up very soon. So subscribe and hit the thumbs up button to stay updated for my future videos. So yeah, let's get touring. Into the hotel room, you see the living room in front of you, and you turn to your left and you have the bathroom, which is where we'll start our tour. So the bathroom is just, I can't even, it's so insane. So you've got this big mirror here, a bath, this big mirror over here. I feel like this might be a TV as well, is it? Oh God, I'm just shaking the whole mirror. It's something, it's definitely something there. Yeah, it is, hold on. Electric mirror. What is an electric mirror? Yeah, it's a TV in the mirror. So you can watch TV while you're in the bath. I live and die by that. You get the idea. Then you've got your treats down here. Mouthwash, soap, and a little body contour, some moisturiser. And then we head over to here's the toilet, robe, and slippers. Oh, that's the head, right? It's just the robe on the back of the door, which I will be getting into in a minute because you must when you're in a luxury hotel room, right? And then in here is your shower to the left. Oh, it's so nice, so nice. So yeah, glam AF bathroom. We move on, we exit, and then we enter the living room area, which has got this gorgeous sofa, glass table, which, oh my God, I love this table. So I actually love the aesthetic of this whole room. Like, I could definitely live in an apartment that looked like this. I mean, who couldn't really? TV over here, my stuff, chest of drawers. Then we've got the wardrobe, which has got a second robe in, your shoehorn and stuff, and then your ironing things over here. So I think you get a complimentary shoe shine, and I think you get pressed items for however many nights you're staying and that kind of stuff as well. So yeah, that is the wardrobe. Hi. I feel like I should have put the robe on for the aesthetic of the video, but nah. Then we move on to into the bedroom, which is just, oh, look at, I'm so I've jumped on this bed already if you couldn't tell, but that is the bedroom. I'm so excited to sleep in this tonight. There's a little drinks thing over here because they are obviously assuming I'm not staying here alone. Again, another telly, side tables, and there's a little speaker if you want to like listen to your music and stuff, a little like help for ordering things. I'm just charging my phone currently. And is there a view? We're on the corner, so view of the city, which is totally fine by me. And yeah, this room is basically just an absolute delight. So beautiful. I can't even. So yeah, I will I probably edited some b-roll in there. Sorry, it was just a quick video, but that's my hotel room tour, guys. If you want to see more of them, I'll make a Patreon. You can pay for me to stay in luxury hotels all the time. Bye, guys.